Governor Tate Reeves joins us now. Governor, they call crude Texas tea. We're going to start calling it Mississippi mud. What do you say?
Well, I think that's great. You know, we've had an incredible run in Mississippi with, I've announced almost $35 billion in new capital investment in our state over the last several years. And many of them are large energy intensive projects, everything from hyperscale data centers to advanced manufacturing. And look, simply put, we believe if you look out over the next 10 years, states that have access to power are going to win, and those who choose not to are going to lose.
So, Governor, really impressive what Mississippi's doing, and I applaud your commitment to making it happening and being energy independent and actually exporting some of the energy coming out of Mississippi. Is it truly all of the above? Can you achieve that, or are the greenies going to get in the way of this?
Well, we know they're going to try to get in the way of it, but look, I believe in an all-of-the-above energy strategy. If it's available, if it's affordable, and if it's reliable, then I'm for it. And that's what I told 28 executives, CEOs, and senior executives at various industry leaders at a meeting last week. And that's Mississippi's power play. And at its core, we want to cut regulation. We want to work with the Trump administration as well to reduce the regulatory environment at the federal level so that those who want to invest can invest. And the key is we've got to work to make sure that we limit the time it takes where we move people from spending money to making money in the energy space.
This is circular too, is it not, Governor, where now that you have brought industry in, you're focused on increasing your power independence, but that also helps you bring in more business and industrial activity into the state. Can you talk about that? How any deals that you might have in the works, even trade related?
Well, look, you are exactly right. It is the availability of power. All of these major manufacturing entities that the Trump administration is talking about onshoring back onto American soil, all of these advanced manufacturing facilities consume enormous amounts of energy. Mm-hmm. And so if you do not have the ability to deliver that in a short period of time, then you don't have the ability to land new projects. New projects mean new capital investment. They mean new jobs for the people of Mississippi, and they mean significant new tax revenue for states like ours as well. And so there's no question that if you're not currently focused on how are you going to deliver power to the jobs of the future, to the companies of the future, then you're not going to win in this experience. And I will tell you, in our state, I can't talk about specific deals, but what I can tell you is we have almost $75 billion in potential capital investment that is looking to deploy capital in our state. And we're not going to win all of those. We know that, but we're going to win more than our fair share because of the work that we've been doing on site development, the work that we've been doing on other areas.
Mississippi Governor Tate Reeves, Mississippi's power play. Congratulations to you. Thanks for joining us on The Bottom Line.